I'm heading to Hakone. Hakone is close to Tokyo. I bought the matcha flavor. The Shinkansen bullet train takes 26 minutes from Shinagawa to Odawara, from where the hotel picks me up. Enjoying a boxed lunch on the Shinkansen is one of the pleasures of the trip. Arrive at Odawara Station. Take a shuttle bus to the hotel. I'm heading to the Hakone Gora Karaku Hotel. Hakone has 7 representative hot springs, which are famous onsen in Japan. It ranks 4th among tourist destinations frequented by foreigners. Surrounded by beautiful nature, so you can enjoy different scenery throughout the year. The hotel was selected as one of the Michelin Key hotel selections. The pattern on the wall is a traditional Japanese pattern. Welcome drink is black bean hojicha and yokan. I booked a deluxe room with open-air hot spring bath. Staff also show you around the room. Original bed with Serta pocket coil mattress arranged for Japanese. There is a large sofa in front of the bed and the floor is tatami style. Large windows overlook the Hakone Mountains.
This is a welcome gift. Let's try to open it. Oh. What's this? Oh. It's framboise cashew nuts. And next one. Black pepper flavor. And this one is cashew nuts and framboise flavor. Kawaii. Looks so cute.
The raspberry cashew nuts look pretty and have a sweet and sour taste. I'm going to take a bath, which I was looking forward to the most. I came to Miyagi-no-Suwa Shrine to see the Yutate Shishimai.
主に天災や病気を防ぐ悪役退散五穀豊穣の
Yutate Shishimai is traditional dance performed as part of a Shinto ritual. Yutate is a purification ceremony using boiling water. It's held every year on July 15th. This valuable event was designated as a nationally important intangible folk cultural asset. It's said that the Yutate Shishimai was introduced to Hakone in 1776. He sprinkles salt on it. Salt is meant to ward off evil and purify the body. When an epidemic broke out, plague was attributed to a demon. And the Yutate Shishimai was started to exorcise the demon. When the shishi bites the heads of spectators, it brings happiness and health to those people. Shishimai came to splash hot water. Tradition says that bathing in hot water sprinkled by lions preserves one's health. I take the mountaineering train. It is interesting to ride the train up and down steep mountain slopes as a travel experience. There is a ticket office, but you don't need to buy a ticket.
If you have a transfer IC card or app, Suica.
Trains run on steep mountain slopes. Arrive in Hakone-Yumoto. Miniature figure vending machines. This is a rare find. Nostalgic Japanese town. It is as if time has stopped. There are many souvenir stores in front of Hakone-Yumoto station. If you're into traditional Japanese sweets and local food, you should definitely check it out. This is traditional Japanese kelp. The products are produced by hand grinding, which cannot be made by machine. This is only $4. Fish cake. It refers to a traditional Japanese food made by baking pureed fish. Local craft beer from the store I just bought. The cafe offers casual sandwiches and hot dogs. Lovely interior. Popular among young Japanese. The cafe is riverside and has a nice view.
Shrimp avocado. 美味しい。
I get the wasabi. Wasabi is the spice of Japan. Bye bye. Please watch the other video and please subscribe to the channel.